Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this quick video, I wanted to share two graphs that will just indicate to you that you are way too early right now. I know in the field of AI, you might think that, well, maybe it's AI is everywhere and everyone is using it. Let me show you two things. First of all, I actually want to show you the theoretical capabilities here of AI versus the observed usage by category. For example, here you will notice that the blue area here, this is what we call it the theoretical coverage. So that's simply AI can theoretically do this work. And basically, you will notice that business and finance is actually one of the top areas that could be impacted by AI. And please note as well that this is the official documentation or blog post by Anthropic, which is the company that created Claude models. And please note that Copilot Cowork actually uses Claude models behind the scenes. Okay. So you will see that business and finance could be impacted, computer and math, for example. Of course, you can see architecture and engineering. All of that is the theoretical coverage. But what they have observed, basically, which is that red section here, this is actually the actual usage or coverage as we speak today. And this is the red part here. So basically, we haven't even scratched the surface yet. So AI power is incredible, but we haven't leveraged it yet. And why? Because, well, you are too early. That's the first point. Second point is you will notice that there are some industries, like let's say construction, for example. We have agriculture. Anything that requires physical interaction, like installation and repair. It's really hard for AI. Of course, there is a massive research right now into robotics, humanoids, and also for what we call it physical AI. That means an AI that understands the laws of physics, but we are way, I would say, too early. Okay. That's why here you will see we don't even have theoretical AI coverage for these areas as well. The second quick graph that I wanted to share with you is this one here. Basically, this is here we have the 8 billion people or humans alive today on Earth. And what you see is that this gray space here, these are people who have never used AI at all. So almost 6.8 billion people in the world have never used AI. The green section here, these are people who use the free chatbot. Basically, they open, let's say, ChatGPT, for example, and use the free version, right? Which most likely it uses the most basic models available behind the scenes. And this is approximately 1.3 billion people in the world, or around 16%. People who pay the $20 per month, okay, these are the orange areas here. So it's actually very small, almost 0.3% of humans in the entire world um, pay only this $20 subscription. And of course, that will unlock far better and greater capabilities. And then the last piece is, well, that red only square, these are people, only like 2 to 5 million people in the world. They actually use coding scaffold. That means they use the agentic capabilities of, let's say, Claude Code, Cowork, and of course, Microsoft Copilot Cowork as well. With that, that's all I have for this quick intro video. I just want you to get excited because we are way too early. Please go ahead, leverage the incredible power of these tools, master all the idea of skills and plugins and deploying a team of agents. Trust me, by the end of this course, you will be able to shorten the work that it could have taken you maybe like a few weeks. You can shorten that in a few hours. With that, let's go ahead and get started with our first project. And I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.